Hi students, in last class we have seen introduction related to averages. Today we are going to see some problems related to average. So in last class we have find only average. We didn't find a number of observations and a sum of observations. Today we are going to see how to find number of observations and sum of observations by the given data. So let's see. So these are the problems we have discussed in last class. So how to find average for the given numbers and average of average age, and if we have the some values, we can find the average easily. So now we need to find average. If they have given average and the sum of numbers, how to find number of numbers and sum of observations. So we have to learn formulas effectively first of all. After learning the formulas, we can do the problems effectively. So let's see. First question, look at the first question here. What is the first question? Average of 8 numbers is 24. So already average is find out for 8 numbers. 8 numbers already average find out chesaru. So we need to find that their sum of numbers. So look at the question properly. Average of 8 numbers is 24. So average of 8 numbers is 24. 24 numbers ki average find out chesamu. So that average is 24. Then find the sum of numbers. So first of all we need to write the given data. So given data rayalana first. So whatever they have given, we need to mention here. So what they have given, average of 8 numbers. So how many? What is the average? Average equals to 24. Average equals to 24. 8 numbers anna question lo akkada average of 8 numbers. They have said that 8 numbers. So number of numbers are 8. Number of observations. Number of observations enna 4. Sorry, 8. The number of observations are 8. So now what we need to find? We need to find that sum of numbers, sum of observations. So what is the formula of sum of observations? Or sum of numbers. Numbers are ikkada observations emothunnayi numbers. So sum of numbers equals to average into number. Average into number of observations. So sum of numbers ki formula entante average into number of observations. So what is the average they have given? 24. How many numbers? 8. So 24 into 8 cheste we get that sum of observations. So 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 is carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. So 119 is the sum of numbers. Sum of numbers. Clear? In this way we will find that sum of observations. So let's see 8th question. In 8th question what they are asking Anna. So what they have given, sum of ages of 5 brothers is 75 years. So sum of ages of 5 brothers is 75 years. So already they have find out their sum find out chesaru. So they have given that sum find out chesaru. Sum of ages equals to 75 years. So how many number of brothers here? Number of brothers are 5. So number equals to 5. Number equals to 5. So then what we need to find here? We need to find their average age. So to find average age find out cheyadaniki. సో ఇక్కడ యావరేజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే we require the observations కదా సార్. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ సమ్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఆ సమ్ని డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చేసారు వాళ్ళు. వి డోంట్ నీడ్ టు సమ్ ద ఆల్ ద అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్గా ఒక సింగిల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చేసారు వాళ్ళు. సమ్ ఏజెస్ ఆఫ్ 5 బ్రదర్స్కి ఆల్రెడీ ఏజెస్ సమ్ చేసేసారు. ఆ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఏజెస్ ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర. ఆ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఏజెస్ని డైరెక్ట్గా ప్లేస్ చేసేసి దెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద యావరేజ్ వాల్యూ. సో యావరేజ్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ages by number of brothers. Sum of ages by number of brothers. Okay, so what is the sum of ages here? Sum of ages are 75 years by number of brothers are 5. So divide 75 with 5. So we know that 15 5s are 75, 5 1s are 5 15s are. So which means that average age of the brothers ఎంత నాన్న 15 years. So average age equals to 15 years. In this way we will find that average if you have the sum of observations and number of observations directly. So ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గా సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఆ సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని we have find out that average. Clear? So next look at the next question Anna. What they have given? So look at the question first. Average and sum of weights of a class. Average and sum of weights of a class are 24 kg and 672 kgs. And average sum of weights of class means that in the class we will have the students, right? Students యొక్క weights ని యాడ్ చేసేసారు ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసేసారు అండ్ యావరేజ్ కూడా చేసేసారు మనం. సో దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ ద గివెన్ డేటా హియర్. Average. So what is the average value? 24 kgs or 672 kgs. So first word అనేది first value represent చేస్తుంది. Then thereby second word ని second mention చేస్తున్నాను. So first ఏముంది average కాబట్టి average ఎంత 24 kgs. Average equals to 24 kg and sum of weights. క్లాస్ మొత్తాన్ని సమ్ చేశారు weights. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ మొత్తం వెయిట్స్ని యాడ్ చేసేసాం. యాడ్ చేస్తే వి గాట్ దట్ 672 kgs అంట. సమ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 672 kgs. 672 kgs. So now what we need to find? We need to find average. So we need to find number of students in the class. We need to find number of students in the class. To find number of observations. To find number of observations. So number of students. So look at the formulas. Formulas ఏమున్నాయి చూడండి. Number of observations formula ఏంటి? Number of observations equals to average. Sum of observations divided by average. Sum of observations. Sum of weights. ఇక్కడ observations ఏమవుతాయి? Weights. Sum of weights by average weight. Average weight of students. Right? Okay. So what is the sum of weights here? Sum of weights of class ఇచ్చారు కదా ఎంత 672 kg by what is the average weight of the class? 24 kg. So divide these two values. If we divide these two values 24 తో 672 ని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. Okay. So here 24 multiples రాసుకోవాలండి. సైడ్కి 24 multiples రాసుకుంటే 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72 వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి 74 2s are 48. You need to note down the multiples of 24. Okay, to divide 672. If we subtract, we get that 17 minus 8, it will be 9. And then 5 minus 1 4 2. So 192. So 2 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది లాస్ట్లో 8 జార్ 9. Okay, so 24 into 8. 24 into 8 సరిపోదు ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. So when we get that 24 to what 19 8 is 24 into 8. 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16, 19, 192. Enough, Nana. 24 8s are, it will be divisible by 24 8s are 192. So which means that there are 28 students in the class. So the value is 28, which means that 28 students. The number of students are 28. There are 28 students in the class. Clear? Next. Average runs of a player. Average runs of a player is 54. So average ఇచ్చారు ఒక ప్లేయర్ యావరేజ్గా in a match, in every match average runs ఎంత అంటున్నా 54 runs అంట. How many matches did he played? ఎన్ని మ్యాచెస్ ప్లే చేశాడు ఇఫ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రన్స్ ఆర్ 972. సో టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రన్స్ అంటే ఏంటన్నా సమ్ ఆఫ్ రన్స్, సమ్ ఇచ్చారు యావరేజ్ అండ్ సమ్ 972 అంటారు సమ్. సో దెన్ we need to find number of observations, which means that number of matches. So to find number of matches, so number of matches is nothing but number of observations. To find number of observations, what is the formula? Sum of observations, sum by average. So what is the sum here? What is the sum of runs he scored in the different matches? 972 runs by each match. Per every match he is scoring how many runs? 54 runs divided by 54. If we do that, we get that value of average value of number of matches. So if we divide 572 with 54, 972 with 54, ones are 54, 3 and 4, 32. So 8 are 432. So we get 18 matches. So 18 is the answer. So he played 18 matches. 18 matches play చేశాను. So in 18 matches he scored 972 runs by the average of 54 runs per match. So we can find that average ni base చేసుకొని we have the three formulas: average, sum of observations and number of observations. Okay, in previous class we have seen how to find average for the given numbers. Today we have seen how to find number of observations and sum of observations. So go through these problems, practice well. First of all, you need to learn the formulas. After that, you have to do the problems. So we will send that some more questions related to this topic. So go through that and practice well. So hope you guys understand. So in next class we will see new topic. Thank you guys.